Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Gaming conglomerate Supreme Ventures posted $1.2 billion in net profit in 2017. According to the company, this represents a 1.6% increase over 2016, but it was due to the impact of just over $471 million in non-cash and non-routine one-off impairment adjustments. The group made revenues of $56 billion, representing a 25% increase over 2016. More Italian tourists are coming to Jamaica this year. Alpitour, which owns the Italian airline Neos, is to increase the number of seats into Montego Bay from Italy using a new Boeing 787 Dreamliner aircraft starting in May. A senior executive for the company, Italy's largest tour operator, noted that the new aircraft will replace the once weekly Boeing 767 charter service between Milan and Montego Bay. The airline will also continue its once-weekly flight from the Italian city of Verona. Oil prices rose today, supported by a weaker dollar, but U.S. crude's gains were limited by forecasts for a weekly rise in U.S. crude stockpiles. West Texas Intermediate WTI crude futures rose 3 cents to settle at $62.60 a barrel. The currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $128.18. The Canadian dollar is selling for $97.52. Sterling is costing $177.97, while the euro is going for $158.66. In today's trading session, the JC index advanced by 1,390 points to close at 293,181. The junior market index advanced by 33 points to close at 2,897. The main winners were Express Catering, Stationery Office and Supplies, Lasco Financial, JMMB Group, Maybury Investments, JMMB 7.5%, and Elite Diagnostic. The losers included Berger, Honeybun, Sagicor Bank Class A Preference Shares, Productive Business Solutions, Jamaican Teas, and Main Event Entertainment. That's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.